Welcome to Amazon's Best Radiator Showcase. Today we're about to reveal the ultimate in warmth and comfort for your living space. Whether you're looking to keep cozy in the winter or simply add a touch of style, we've got the perfect radiators for you. OzCoolingParts Radiator heater enclosure offers a decorative and functional solution to cover and enhance the look of radiators. SCITOO's electric wall heater is known for its powerful and quick heating, making it suitable for larger spaces. RadRace's electric baseboard heater is designed for quiet, reliable heating with a sleek, low-profile design. Rellorus basic programmable thermostat offers precise temperature control, energy savings, and a user-friendly interface. ALLOYWORKS' oil-filled radiator heater provides efficient and silent heating, with customizable heat settings and a compact design.